26x4 fat tire and inner tube vertical bar, snow tire vertical bar, electric bikes vertical bar, mountain bike tire, 26x4 zero, vertical bar Schrader valve inner tube bonus. Are you in quest for a tire bundle that can weather any trek? Look no further. Brilliantly designed for off-road and on-road enthusiasts, our set of two 26x4 fat tires and two 26x4 inner tubes is your go-to choice. With its wide stance of 4 inches, these fat tires' bike elevate stability and support, empowering you to conquer even the most challenging terrains with remarkable ease. Meticulously crafted with an enduring construction, these tires are engineered to survive heavy-duty use while maintaining a smooth and comfortable ride. High-quality inner tubes inclusive in this set are designed to be reliable and enduring, assuring your fat tires' bike stay inflated and prepared for action. The versatility of these fat tires' bike isn't to be overlooked. They navigate effortlessly through various terrains including sand, snow, and mud. Whether you're beach riding, trailblazing, or cruising around town, these tires hold the fort. Don't let an underwhelming tire deflate your next adventure. Embrace the game-changing difference of our 26x4 fat tire and inner tube bundle today. Pros: durable heavy-duty construction, increased stability due to 4-inch width, effortless navigation over obstacles, versatile for all terrains, inclusive of high-quality inner tubes. Cons: potentially heavy for certain bike frames, may require specific bike models for optimal performance. Specification dimensions: 26x4 inches. Material: heavy-duty rubber package. 2 tires, 2 inner tubes. Suitable for electric bikes, snow bikes, mountain bikes. Final thought: this fat tires bike bundle serves as a worthwhile investment. With superb control and versatility, it is indisputably a winning choice for diverse terrains. Enrich your riding experience by purchasing this 26x4 fat tire and inner tube set today.